Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel by _DUI by Yui. I'm kind of behind today. It's because I went out, spent a lot of time outside. I went to America to experience the Samsung store. It's kind of ridiculous that they only let, I mean it's not ridiculous. We understand that it's a pandemic time, so they only let like a few people coming in because they don't have that many people inside to help the customers. So they barely let like two groups of people. It doesn't matter how many people are there, but they only allowed two group of people to come in and experience whatever they have with Samsung. Samsung is really expensive. They only have like S Galaxy phones. Other than that, they don't have anything like cheaper. My friends want to have a cheaper phone to replace his phone. So yeah, and then I came back home and started working on my art videos because I want to be consistent every day. So I need to have something to post on my art channels because I'm building it. Yeah, let's go to my process video. I'll see you after that. Hi, welcome back, and here is my final product. I'm very glad that I make time to finish a painting today. It's just this watercolor sketch. I don't know if you can call it sketch because it's a sketchbook, but for me it's a painting. Yes, I'm happy to finish it, and now I'm gonna edit the videos and then upload it and post this one on my Instagrams and my art channel. So to be consistent, as I told you, I only have like summer to do this. Is because like when summer is done, I'm going back to school. Yes, and I just passed like 2 tests of CSAT, and I need to take the first one again because I mean I didn't know a lot of history, like California history, US history, world history, so I didn't pass that test. I need to review it again, and then I need to pass that test. Yeah, when the school year comes again, I have to go back and do my teaching credential. I plan to finish everything in 1 year, so by the end of this year, of this school year, of the following school year, I will have my teaching credentials or preliminary teaching credentials, so I can teach and make money to support my art career. And I hope sometime between here and there, my art's gonna fly and I'm gonna have something going on my art channels, on my YouTube, and I really hope that. And that's it. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you really like what I'm doing right now, then really want to know how my art is growing and how my art career is flying, yeah, please like my video and then subscribe my YouTube videos, or follow me on Instagram by _Dewey. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.